Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you've got a few seconds, please hit that subscribe button down below the video there. There's also a little bell icon notification. If you'll click that, it'll let YouTube know that you're here. It'll also notify you when I release new videos, and it'll help other people see my videos according to people and what they tell me. So if you're so inclined, please hit the subscribe button. If not, I totally get it. I am glad you're here. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing and short overview before I actually use this from Knife Joy. And the unboxing knife today, coming out of my left pocket, is going to be the little Mercury Cali. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Look at that. I'm shredded cardboard. So we've got a Knife Joy sticker. We've got a box. All right, guys. We've got a superlative box and a Knife Joy sticker. Let me put my Mercury back in my left pocket. Guys, as y'all might or might not know, I have supplemented my carry, my EDC, with fixed blades. Today, like the last 3 weeks when I've been recording this, I've been carrying this Quiet Carry 9. I'll be doing a review on it pretty soon. I did an unboxing when it came in from Chaz Like Sharp Objects. I'll give you kind of a little hint. This is a great knife. But today we're talking about the superlative. So, the superlative is another small knife, little troll food. Looks like it's got a tool with some Torx to take the screws off. And it looks like we've got some extra hardware screws here. And then we've got this little knife. So guys, this little knife attracted me in a big way. As you guys know, I love smaller fixed blades. This is kind of the size that I look for in a secondary fixed blade. And this is a little knife that I had seen when I was on Pocket Metal's live stream. And ENG, my brother from another mother, ENG EDC, picked this little knife up and seemed to really like it. One thing I like about it is the thinness of the carry. So this is what I consider a pocket dropper. This is the type of knife I'll carry in my left pocket. It's got a deep carry clip. Really decently, nicely done leather sheath. And the little knife is this little guy right here, the Hella. So the Hella by Superlative, we'll do a little cut test on that, is a thick little knife, little one hand. I can get, with my medium to large size hand, 3 good fingers. And then the way that this back comes with a little doodad hole for your doodads will give you even additional grip if you wanted to put a lanyard on that. This is the M390, which is an M390 kind of satin blade, and it's got these carbon fiber handles or inserts, right? So this knife comes also in a blacked out version with micarta insets. It comes in a Damasteel version with some different carbon fiber insets. But basically you can order and change out these carbon fiber little insets, or you can take them out altogether and have a skeletonized knife. I'm not big into the skeletonized as much as having a good grip there. So this little knife, I think it goes in that way. It's just a nice little pocket dropper. Let's see if it cuts. I haven't put an edge on it yet. As you guys saw, it just came out of the box. But we'll see how it comes from SUPRLATIV. Keep in mind, this is a small blade, guys. It definitely cuts. It's definitely sharp. It's definitely in need of a strop. And maybe a little edge refinement. But I think for what it's set up to do, it does it well. So just to give you guys, because I happen to have it out here, an idea of the size of this knife, this is a closed Civivi Baby Banter, and this is the open Civivi Baby Banter. So this knife, since I've got it out here, is right at 5 inches long with a 2 1/8 inch cutting edge, right at a 3 inch handle to that choil. Has a nice plunge grind where you can get some good sharpenings off that. Has a great area to lay your finger. You can use this knife in a lot of different grips. Again, with my kind of updated way that I carry knives and the way that I carry pocket fixed blades, I find myself pulling these out to do my package openings, my quick cuts, things that I need to do where I don't necessarily want to deploy my folder. I use this a lot at work if I'm cutting open boxes or cutting open packaging, but it's just a really cool little knife. I was drawn to it when they first dropped. These came back in stock, I think last week at Knife Joy, and I picked this one up, so it'll be a good one to add to the collection. I'll be carrying it, checking it out, letting you guys know what I think of it. Hold on one second, let me grab something because I'm curious of the thickness. Took a quick gander at Grateful Panic's calipers here. So 0.75 thickness on the blade. .15, I'm sorry. I said 0.75. I read that wrong. It's actually 0.15 thickness. If you take it from the scale, you're looking at 0.28 at a quarter of an inch. But yeah, this is a great size little knife. It seems, you know, I love my J-Cals. They ride on my belt. I've got a couple of them on the way to Stevie right now, or Joe Lancelot Leather, EDC Roundtable, to have a couple of sheaths made. This little knife is, I think, will fit the void kind of as my micros do and as my Chickadee does. Just a great little drop in your pocket. Get it molded in that sheath. Maybe put a little doodad on it. Drop that in the left pocket. Sweet, guys. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this unboxing. I hope it was worth your while. SUPRLATIV. I think it's a cool knife. I'll give you my full thoughts after I've carried it for a while, after I've sharpened it, after I've cut with it, after I've lived with it for a couple of weeks. I think it's going to fit the bill. It feels like it's ergonomical. We'll see. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Until then, I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. If you like or dislike the video, that's great too. Most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate before hate. I love you all. Peace.